Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anchan Views, and today we'll be learning about the drug Durva. Coming to the basonym. Duri karoti santapam varayati cha rogan pradaradi niti, which means that Durva is a drug that will help in relieving santapa, and varayati cha rogan pradaradi niti means it is helpful in treating diseases like pradara, etc. General, Durva is very useful drug which alleviates many diseases. Synonyms. Based on the morphology, it is Ananta, Pratanika, Amari, Ruha, Golomi, Shataparvika, Shatavirya. Ananta means that which spreads extensively on the ground. That is, na anto asya bahu prasara ityartah. It is not never ending. It spreads on the ground extensively. Next synonym, Pratanika, also means the same. Pratanika means prakarshena tanoti vistarayatiti bahu visrita ityartah. Next synonym is Amari, which means na mriyate iti. The plant never dies. Ruha means chinna api punaha rohati iti. This means that the plant will grow again in spite of being cut. Next, Golomi. Golomavat patranyasya. The leaves will resemble like that of the cow's hair. That is, the leaves of Durva are linear. Next synonym is Shataparvika, which means Shatam Bahuni Parvanyasyaha. That is, Durva has many notes. Next, the last synonym Shatavirya. It is based on the properties and the action. Shatavirya means that Shatam Bahuni Viryanyasyaha. That is, Durva is very efficacious drug and it has many actions or many viryas. It is potent. Next, the regional names or the vernacular names. In English it is called as conch grass, and in Hindi it is called as Durva. In Kannada it is called as Garike, and in Malayalam Karuka Pullu, and in Marathi Haryali, and in Tulu it is called as Kadike. Now the botanical name of Durva is Cynodon dactylon, and it belongs to the family Poaceae and Yavacula. Ganavargikarana. This drug Durva has not been mentioned by Acharya Sushruta, but it has been mentioned by Acharya Charaka in the Varnya and Prajastapana Dashamani, and in Bhava Prakasha Nigantu it has been mentioned under Gudu Chyadi Varga. Now coming to the habitat, this plant can be found to be growing throughout India, and it is usually found in wastelands and roadsides or gardens and parks. Now coming to the varieties. According to Bhavaprakasha Nigantu, he has mentioned only one variety, that is Neela Durva. According to Kayyadeva Nigantu, there are two, that is Shweta and Ganda Durva. And according to Raja Nigantu, there are four varieties of Durva, that is Neela Durva, Shweta Durva, Ganda Durva and Mala Durva. And the different species of this plant is Cynodon biflorus, Cynodon pilosus, Cynodon longiglumis, Panium dactylon, Cynodon linearis and Agrostis linearis. Now coming to the morphology. Habit. Now this plant is a prostrate, widely creeping herb forming matted tufts, which means that this plant is found mainly at the ground level and it is creeping herb, and it is found in tufts, that is in groups. Then the stem of the plant is slender and creeping with erect or ascending flowering branches, and it is 7 to 30 centimeters long. Now the leaves are 2 to 10 centimeter long and 1 to 3 mm wide, and they are narrowly linear or lanceolate, that is needle like, or having sharp tips, and they are finely acute and more or less glaucous. They are smooth, soft, and they are having alternate arrangement. Now leaves are alternately arranged. Now sheaths of the leaf are tight, glabrous or hairy, and the inflorescence is spike inflorescence, and it is either green or purplish in color. Now the useful part of the plant is the panchanga, that is the whole plant. See, I have taken the durva plant here. You can see the leaves are arranged in alternate pattern, and they have what many nodes, and see the leaf. Leaf is lanceolate, like it is shaped like a needle, but it is not that sharp. But the tip, you can see it is having acute tip, that is narrow angle is there at the tip. It will grow along with the grass. Can find it in roadsides and all. Now coming to the phytochemical constituents, they are beta carotene, vitamin C, beta cytosterol, palmitic acid, triterpenoids, arundine, fredolin, selenium, argonovin, and argonovinin. Rasa Panchaka. The rasa of this plant is Tikta, Madhura, and Kashaya rasa, and it is having Lagu Guna, Madhura Vipaka, and Shita Virya. Now the dosha karma is Kapha Pitta Shamaka. It helps in relieving the Kapha dosha because of its Tikta Kashaya rasa, and it helps in relieving the Pitta dosha because of the Tikta Kashaya Madhura rasa and Shita Virya. Now coming to the karma or the action. It is Trishnahara, that is it relieves Trishna, that is excessive thirst, and it is Dahahara, it relieves burning sensation, and it is Tvakrogahara, relieves any skin related ailments. It is Tambaka, that it acts like an hemostatic agent, and it is Jwarahara, relieves fever, and it is Varnya, improves the complexion, Ruchya, improves the taste perception, and it is Jivaniya, provides strength to the body and sustains life, and it is Shramahara, it relieves any fatigue or tiredness, and Chardigna, it prevents vomiting sensation, vomiting. So these are the action. Now coming to the pharmacological actions, it acts like an antiviral, hemostatic, diuretic, and astringent. Now coming to the Rogagnata or therapeutic indications. Now Durva is indicated in conditions like Daha, that is burning sensation, Trishna, excessive thirst, Rakta Pitta, that is bleeding disorders, then Jwara, that is fever, then Atisara, that is diarrhea, and Kusta, skin related disorders, and Chardi, that is vomiting. Now the Amayika Prayoga or the therapeutic administration. In case of Rakta Pitta, Durva, Vatapallava, Sitakarnika, juice is extracted and is given along with Madhu. And in case of Rakta Arshas, Grita or ghee, that is processed with Durva along with Shatadauta Grita, can be applied. Then Visarpa. In case of Visarpa, the Grita processed with Durva Swarasa is applied to the wounds. It will help in the wound healing. In case of Vrana, the Durva Swarasa Siddha Taila is applied. Now coming to the Matra or the dose, Swarasa is 10 to 20 ml, and the Panchanga Kwata, that is the Kwata or the decoction that is prepared out of the whole plant, is 50 to 100 ml, and the Kalka or the paste, in paste form we can use it in 1 to 3 grams dosage. Then the yoga or the other formulations are Durvadya Kwata. It is indicated in Jwara and Atisara. And Durvadya Taila. It is indicated in Sutika Vikara. Durvadya Grita. It is used in case of Pravahika. And in Nadi Vrana, that is sinuses, you can use Jatyadi Grita. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel, and any suggestions you can put it in the comment section. Thank you.